Have you ever imagined a pickup truck built with the same rugged DNA as the machines that dig mountains, build highways, and dominate the toughest job sites on Earth? Well, today we're diving into the exciting possibility of the 2027 Caterpillar pickup, a truck that has sparked plenty of conversations among truck enthusiasts and construction equipment fans alike. While Caterpillar hasn't officially confirmed this vehicle, the idea of a Cat-branded pickup has everyone wondering what the ultimate heavy-duty truck could look like. So, let's imagine what such a machine could bring to the road. From the very first glance, the 2027 Caterpillar pickup would likely carry the unmistakable industrial design that has made Seati equipment famous around the world. Expect a bold front grille featuring the iconic Caterpillar badge, massive LED headlights, aggressive skid plates, and muscular body lines that scream durability. Instead of focusing on flashy styling, this truck would prioritize strength, function, and confidence. Large all-terrain tires, high ground clearance, reinforced bumpers, and heavy-duty tow hooks would make it look ready for any challenge before the engine even starts. Step inside, and the cabin would blend premium comfort with practical functionality. Durable materials would dominate the interior, including waterproof seating surfaces, scratch-resistant panels, and easy-to-clean flooring designed for real work environments. At the same time, modern technology would keep drivers connected with a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, multiple USB-C charging ports, and advanced navigation specifically designed for off-road adventures and remote job sites. Storage would be another major strength. The center console could be large enough to hold work tools, while clever compartments throughout the cabin would keep equipment organized. Heated and ventilated seats, dual zone climate control, and premium audio would ensure that even after a long day on the job, every drive home feels comfortable. Under the hood is where the imagination really gets exciting. A Caterpillar pickup would almost certainly focus on incredible torque rather than outright speed. A powerful turbo diesel V8 or an advanced hybrid diesel powertrain could deliver enormous pulling capability while maintaining respectable fuel efficiency. Massive towing capacity, impressive payload ratings, and advanced trailer assistance systems would likely make this one of the most capable trucks in its class. Off-road performance would be equally impressive. Multiple drive modes, locking front and rear differentials, adaptive suspension, hill descent control, crawl control, and reinforced underbody protection would allow this truck to conquer mud, rocks, snow, and steep trails with confidence. Whether you're hauling heavy equipment to a construction site or exploring remote wilderness, the Caterpillar pickup would aim to handle both with ease. Safety would also receive significant attention. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, 360-degree cameras, and trailer monitoring technology would provide peace of mind whether you're towing thousands of pounds or simply driving through the city. As for pricing, if this concept ever became reality, it would likely compete directly with premium heavy-duty trucks. Depending on trim levels and equipment, a starting price somewhere between 65 euros and 90,000 wouldn't be surprising, especially if Caterpillar focused on commercial-grade durability and advanced technology. The 2027 Caterpillar pickup may still be just a dream today, but it's certainly one that has captured the imagination of truck lovers everywhere. If Caterpillar ever decides to enter the pickup market, it could completely redefine what toughness means. So, would you buy a Cat pickup over a Ford Super Duty, Ram Heavy Duty, or Chevrolet Silverado HD? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video!